What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have been feeling the braids this summer. I've been all about it right now, okay? So today I'm here to show you guys some of the braids that I came up with randomly. I just like to try different hairstyles, and quite a few times I have been asked to do braid tutorials, so here I am today to do that for you guys. It is really ridiculously simple to do because I'm really not good at hair. I try, but that's not my talented area, I guess you can say. I keep things very simple because I'm a simple gal and I don't know any other way, really. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. So you really only need 3 things. You're gonna need a brush to brush your hair out. That's obvious. I already brushed mine out, so I'm not even gonna bring that into the picture. You're also gonna need a regular hair tie, scrunchie, whatever. I got like the scrunchy hair tie thingy majiggy. And you're also going to need some of these little guys, okay? The little itty bitty elasticy guys. Let's get this show on the road. Alrighty, for the first one, you guys, you're just gonna simply part your hair off to the side, just like that. Then you're just gonna take a pretty decent chunk from the front of your head, about halfway back, and you're just gonna start braiding it. Just braid it like you normally would any other braid. Then you're gonna grab your itty bitty guy and you're just gonna tie that braid right up. Just proceed on to the other side. Do it the same way. You're gonna take the same amount of chunk of your hair and you're just gonna braid it, baby. That's it right now. Alrighty, now that that's all done, you're just gonna take your whole head of hair and put it off to the side. Then you're gonna grab your regular scrunchie or hair tie, and you're gonna take that whole chunk and braid it again. And there we go, you guys. Such a classic vintage type of look. I call it the side swiper. First thing that came to mind, and you know, your hair is off to the side so it fits. On to the second one, you guys. What's that in my hair? Alright, it's gone. Anyways, for this one, you're gonna part it down the middle, and you're gonna basically kind of do what you did last time. Take half of your hair and braid it on up. Onto the second side and repeat that, baby. I'm clearly having a little too much fun right here, so I don't even know what's going on, for real. And now you are going to take those 2 hanging braids, pull them to the back of your hair, and tie them with that itty bitty guy. Yeah, look at that. This one I'm going to call the Boho Braid because it's like a little braided crown, very bohemian looking. I love that style. Yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, style number 3 right now. Little different than the other ones. You're going to start by putting your hair all down in front of your face and just grabbing a chunk from the front as so. And then you're just going to begin braiding that chunk. Pretty sure James was making me laugh at something. Probably just making fun of me. And there you guys have it. Look number 3. That's what I'm talking about. What do you guys think up in here, huh? Oh, come on now. You didn't think I was for real, did you? Okay, now you're gonna grab a chunk of hair from this side and braid it on up. Then you're gonna do the same thing to the other side. And right about now, you should have 3 hanging braids that look semi-scary looking. Grab your big hair tie, and you're just gonna pull those braids straight back into a ponytail. For those of you who like having a simple pony, definitely could keep it like this, but I always go a little extra, and to complete this look, I braided the ponytail. This one I'm calling the Lara Croft. It's obvious why. You know, that's the signature look, Lara Croft. It is sleek, it is sexy. I love this look. And last but not least, you guys, this is my go-to braid look. It is the most simple of all braids right here. Just parting it down the middle and putting 2 braids in my hair. It is easy, it is fast, and it's essentially foolproof. There you go, you guys. The Classic Pocahontas doesn't get simpler than this one right here. Alright guys, that was it. Those are the styles that I've come up with. I hope you enjoyed it or found it helpful in some way, or maybe inspired you to try some out for yourself. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. Definitely my weak point when it comes to hairstyling. Or now, let me rephrase that. Yeah, so I hope this has given you guys something simple to work with. Nope.